How to send PDF files in Facebook Messenger. In order to send a PDF file in Facebook Messenger, it is very simple because Facebook does allow you to send a custom file through chats. So for this, you just want to launch the Messenger application and select the person to whom you want to send the PDF file. Tap on the plus icon that is located towards the bottom left corner of the screen like this, and you'll find various options again. This time you want to go to the option called Files. Allow the access to your files if you haven't done so, and navigate to the folder where you have stored your PDF file. And once you've found the file, you can just go ahead and then select that certain file which is in PDF format, and now you can see I've sent them. That other person can choose to tap on it and they can choose to download or view that PDF file on their choice. So this way you can go ahead and then send a PDF file in Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.